Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is project 1 for Harvard's web app and it's a book review website. Its name is Book Checkers and this is a website where you can see almost every book and its rating and reviews. So let's log out first. So yeah, I'm logged out, and if I click on this, it will go to the home page, and if I click on this, that will also go to the home page, and if I go to search, it will say login first because of sessions I have used in my application. And if I go to the route and type search, it will also give me the error. So I have to log in first. So if I log via an account that does not exist, it will give me an exception that account does not exist. Okay, so I have to register first. So let's register account 123, and if I type the wrong password, first 1234567, then 7654321, oh, so it will give me your password does not match. Now if I write the right password, it will go to the login page. Okay, so now if I left a field, it will say incorrect password, and if I left this field, it will give me an exception that account does not exist. Okay, so if I type the wrong password, that the password was 1234567, but I type randomly, will say incorrect password again. So now let's type the right password and log in. Now when I log in, you can see my email ID here, my account details with user ID, email and password. Now you can search a book by either an title, author or ISBN, also by year. So let's search by title. I search for a book Legend, and there comes the books which name has Legend in it. Okay, so now let's search a book by an author. So yeah, these are all the books which are written by Mary Lou. Now let's search a book by year. So these are all the books which were published at 2014 or has 2014 in the name. Okay, so now let's search a book by an ISBN. So that should give me only one book because one ISBN has only one book. So that ISBN is a unique. It can also, or it can just assign for a one book. So this gave me one book as expected. Now if I go to this link, the title link, I will go to that book page. Okay, so that are the book details, and these are the details from my database, and these are the details from the Goodreads API which I fetched from, and I can see the reviews users have left for this book. Okay, so these were my IDs which I used to give review. So I am now logged in with account123@gmail.com. So let's comment. So you can see that my review has come with the best book I have ever read, and with a 5-star rating and the date I posted on. Now if I give another review for the same book, it should give me an exception. It should give me an exception. Yes, only one review per book is allowed. That's why it's giving me an exception. I can review another book, but not this one. So let's try to review another book to show you that I can review another book, but not the same one. As you see, I gave a book a review. So now let's do it again, and it will give me an error like I showed you before. Okay, so now if I type any random URL, it will show me that the page not found. Now if I click on that ISBN number link, if it exists, it will give me an JSON format API, and I can have it also if I copy and API and paste. Okay, and if the details that are not allowed to be shown, if the data is not available, it will give me an exception that data is not available for this book. Okay, so if I go to the home page, I can see that I have been currently logged in with account 123@gmail.com, and if I logged out, it will be gone. Okay, so that was my project's website, and I can show that I can show you that I have used raw SQL all over my application.py, which is the main backend file. You can see all raw SQL I have used. Okay, so any requirements, done. So that was the project, and I hope you liked it. And the code is in the description. You can see that from GitHub. So that was all. Thank you.